systems here consist of various modules, like I explained before when I was doing Cortica. I'll just try to log in and demonstrate which modules this system entails actually. Let me just log out here. Okay. This is our login page where you capture your username and your password if you're already registered. If you're not registered, you can just register here. So as I'm a registered user, I'll just log in using my existing account. I'm just trying to log in using my existing account. Okay, type in password. See, all right. So this is just for authentication. Let me just log in. Okay, this is the dashboard. This is case file overall. So case file consists of various modules, like I said, consists of EDRMS, call taker, cases, and registered mail. So now I'll be focusing on EDRMS. EDRMS is an electronic document and records management system. It is a solution that helps organizations manage digital documents and records. It combines document management and record management technologies into a single system. So I'll be demonstrating it. On the left panel, it consists of file plans, activities, draft, check groups, requested documents, records, routing, and retention period. So just create one document just to show you how it works, the EDRMS system. So just create a file plan. These are multiple file plans that you can choose from. So I just choose general file plan. Okay, let me just create a document. Create a document. Okay, this is a list of all file plans. So just choose one. Yeah, just say policies. I'm creating a memorandum. So just create a memorandum. Create. So after creating memorandum, this is the page that you'll get. You'll describe what type of memorandum are you creating. So just give it a description. I'll just say application 01. This is still the file plan that I chose because it says policy is the one that I've chose. And here, if you have text, you can add text. You can take it. Here, if you can select whether is it confidential, super confidential, or secret. For now, we do have confidential, or just select confidential. And then we have retention period. You can choose the retention period. So for now, we'll just say it's inherited from the file plan, but it's optional. If you want, you can choose a day. It can stay for a day in the system, but now I'll just choose inherited from a file plan. And then this is the date the document is created, of which is today, is correct. And then you have the main registry location. So you just select it. And then you have the due date. I'll just select the due date tomorrow. It's tomorrow. So this document is created by myself. My name will always come up on top because I'm logged in with my own name. So it's created by myself. And then here you can put in any comment that you like. the other users, since you're going to be sending this memorandum to somebody else to read, to approve, and so forth. So this is the section where you put in comments. If you want to leave a message, or if there's something that you like to state, this is where you leave a comment. I'll just write test and so here, so this document I'm sending it to. So my name will always come up on top all the time, since I'm actually the author of this memorandum. So I'm sending this document to EDRMS system. I'll just use this EDRMS system since it's the account that we use for testing. And obviously this email is from myself. So the subject, I can always use the application, right? Application, because this is a dry run. Just use application. The people's also write application, also 01. Background, I also write application 01. Discussion, so that financial application, also type it in. And recommendation, if you have a recommendation, you can write recommendation. So I'm only writing this as for testing purposes or just to demonstrate how does the system work. But as a normal user, you actually have to type in relevant data. So yeah, so and then after you've typed in everything there, just have to save it. Let's see, saved it. So after saving it, as you see this is on your left panel here. You see the document moved from file plan to activity. So now the document is active. It's something that you're working on right now. So this is the screen that you'll get. Everything, the data you've captured, everything is in order. And then you have other fields also to you have other fields. You can attach document if you want to attach any other document that's relevant to the memorandum or supporting whatever motion that you like to state. So this is where you can support your data. So you can attach any document that you like to. So if you have a video, you can attach a video. So if it's a document, you can attach a document, you can select the document. So for now, I'm not attaching anything. So yeah, so this is where you can attach any document. So signatories, this is where you add all the signatories, people who are going to be involved in approving and signing this document or memorandum. So this is where you can add them. My name will always appear on the top since I'm the author of the document. So I'll be adding ADRMS since I'm sending this document to him. So also I'm gonna ask for approval of this document that I'll be sending to him. So just add him. Gonna wait for it to load the signatories. Okay. Let's see if it's added. Yeah, signature is added. EDRMS is there for approval. Here you can approve, you can preview the document that you've already created. If you scroll down, you can see, you can actually preview the document. Actually preview the document overall. Yeah, if you have any other linked documents that's relevant to the document that you're sending or the memorandum that you're sending, so you can link this document to that because they go hand in hand. You can just type in the reference number. For now, we don't have any relevant document, but for further purposes, if you do have a relevant, so you need to type in the reference number so you can also pick it up. So yeah, here, and then we have auditing. Auditing helps in terms of keeping track of which version is this. So now since it's version 1, so if we do have a second version, it will state here it's version 2. So that's what auditing is for. We do have change logs. changelog, if somebody works on this same document as you, let's say one of your colleagues in the same document, if you make changes on the same document, this will keep track on who did what on this account and so forth. So that's the changelog overall. So then can save. So saved, and then to also see here. Sorry. After you save, it will be under draft to show if the document that you're working on can actually check it. Set up document. Okay, just go down. And you can actually, if you're ready, you're happy with everything, you can actually accept the signature to sign this document and then submit to the person that you're sending it to. And then I'm gonna log out, log in as the other approver, as the other user, so that we can actually sign also. See it. Let's do this, try to log in. The authentication. Try to log in. And then I've logged in with another user. So with a normal user, this is how the system looks actually on a normal user. So with my user, I'm an admin user. So that's why you see a lot of on my left panel, you see a lot of functionalities on my left panel, the admin side and everything. So because I'm admin, so with a normal user, this is how it looks. Actually, you do. This is the document. You check under activities whether you received the document or not. Think the document, see, should be here. Let's view just the document. Okay, so if the other colleague is happy with everything that you've sent him, if he's happy with whatever that you sent him, that's why the system it's grayed out on all this because he's not the author of the system. He's not the author of the system. That's why the system is grayed out here. So if he's happy with everything that he's received, he can actually approve this. And then he can actually accept the signature. If these comments that I'd like to leave for me, I can just type it here. Just type in test on my end since it's a driver. And then can save. Save it. Just give it a minute. Okay, everything is saved. Except that this, you can see both of us with each side. And then we submit the document. That's it. They're happy with everything. Then loading. Just give it a minute. You can see document is moved. So I'm gonna try and log out. log in with my user to see if see here. Log in with my user. So if they've signed a document and the other colleague is happy, whoever signed the document, whoever went through the document is happy with everything they went through, even the attachments and everything. So after signing, uh, it's gonna come back to me. I'm gonna go under file plan, go under technologization, general file plan. That's where I initially created it. It should be sitting under species. Let's see. So if it's sitting here, you do have the option to download the document. And to download the document, just see it's not just see if it's the correct one. See, let's see, that's the correct. So this is the correct document. Both signatures are there. So as you can see, everybody has signed. Everybody has signed. Both documents are there. So this is how the high level of EDRMS system works. In a nutshell, this is just the high level. This is a complex and a dynamic system. So I'll just stop from here. Okay, I'd like to thank you.